I have been called for interview successively.
Malad, really, Malad, this type of petition, your lordship, kindly, Malad, dismiss with cost. Malad, it is not board invite, Malad, everybody to come and give interview. Malad, everybody applied for interview with depositing fees. My learned senior friend cannot say why every time I am asked to appear in the interview. He has applied for, or he has applied for, he has applied for. That is
I don't know who is taking advantage of what situation. You have appeared in the TET. You applied. You did not. I failed to get the job for 3 times.
He passed in the TET. Definitely, he has applied for 2016 selection process by depositing fees. That is why he was called for the interview.
I did it, madam.
What is the wrong in it?
Please.
Malad, I am asking myself.
No,
Malad,
one confusion possibly it has been created that as soon as a person is TET qualified, he'll be automatically getting the job. This is the misconception is percolating from everyone.
The candidate lordship, the persons who are drafting it, they have also confusion too.
Yes, I don't think that this is the confusion for everyone. Whoever is qualifying,
Absolutely. Malad, TET pass is not will get the
Malad. Pass Malad is an eligibility.
That name shows that.
Eligibility.
This is the you are allowed to enter into the zone of consideration. The consideration is you participated in the interview, prove yourself eligible and get the job. But it is successively 3
Interview. 3 times. 16, 21, 23.
Next time, what is the next selection?
Not yet declared.
Next time you try, you may get the job.
Malad, having B.Ed next time, he cannot.
Oh, B.Ed only?
B.Ed.
He will advise your client accordingly.
Madam.
The petitioner qualified in TET 2014, had qualified for and had participated in selection test for recruitment of assistant teachers in primary schools conducted by the West Bengal Board of Primary Education in the year 2016, 2020 and 2022.
2016, 2021 and 2023.
16, 2020 and 2022.
21, 23, 21.
The selection process 2020,
Yes, sir.
2022, but was unsuccessful. The petitioner is praying that she may be appointed in terms of her, she may be given appointment. The prayer is entirely concept. Dismissed. Next, without cost.
Dismissed, right? Malad, you lordship, please to dismiss the
Please notify, board notify. The TET is an eligible test. You may have passed the or qualified the TET. It does not give you the right to get the appointment. Please, if necessary, print it in the admit card. And also in the certificate. You have to participate in the selection process, and in the selection process, you have to qualify to get the job. You people are leaving these things to dumb.
Because of
huge
this
misconception.
This is an interesting case arose and went up to the Supreme Court. What happened, I tell you, lordships? TET, your lordships, OBC candidate is getting concession 5%. General candidate is to secure 90 marks out of 150. Reserve category candidate 82. Now the question came up before the Supreme Court because ultimately the petitioner succeeded before the, if I'm not wrong, Allahabad High Court. The matter went up to the Supreme Court. Now the point arose. Now this is the point that if a reserve category candidate gets a benefit once, he cannot be treated as reserved for this. He has to go for the general. If you get the benefit reserved, you had to be reserved. Now the settled principle of law after Indira Sahani, your lordships, if I qualified on merit, even if I'm reserve candidate, I have to be
treated as a.
Now, on this basis, the selection process challenged. Supreme Court clarified the issue of TET. Look, the candidate who passed TET as a reserve category candidate getting concession marks of 82. He is not getting further concession in recruitment process. Therefore, you cannot question that he is getting TET, therefore he cannot.
In the selection test, are you not keeping a reserve category for OBC, A, OBC?
Yes. But he is at par. Suppose a reserve category candidate.
No compromise in qualification number.
Exactly.
But the number of seats may be reserved.
The point was raised, he is getting concession in TET, Therefore, once he has got in TET
Qualifying
consideration,
marks, no concession.
he will be treated as.
But please do that. In the TET certificate, clarify that this is only a eligibility test, not a test for giving you appointment. Yes.
My lord, I'm for the petitioner, item number 209, my lord. My lord, the matter relates to the Howrah DPSC, my lord. This matter
দিয়ে দাও নামটা দাও
So what? This is for default.
For the statement.
Mention upon.
In the TET note, my lord's query was whether in the TET notification or in the recruitment notification, as an examining body or the recommending body, WBBP notifies to the intending applicants that TET is not guarantee of a recommendation. It is done. It is done. Every time done.
Then why this confusion? I don't know whether.
It's like something like this. I want to be a mechanical engineer in a multinational company. My first hurdle is qualifying the joint entrance examination. This joint entrance is equivalent to TET. Then I have to undergo a 5-year BE in a college.
You have to
Then
give
comes the campus interview. I say, I passed JE.
So give me
Straight
the-
away, multinational company.
No, why this confusion? This confusion must have been created. I don't believe the lawyers who are handling that they do not know that. They are very much aware, but I don't know.
With the
what to say.
deepest of respect, not all of them. With the deepest of respect.
They don't know even.
Not all of them.
I have passed TET.
Not all of them. And sometimes we come across petitions, the avaments, the pleadings. I don't know whether the computer man is instructed to cut, copy, paste.
This is the default.